What's going on YouTube? OCD for EDC here. What I got for your face balls today, we are going to get into some packages here. Molly and I are getting ready to go on a little trip. We leave super early in the morning. I'm getting this knocked out before we leave, and let's just find out what we got here. So I got this package right here. We're just going to get up into it. We're going to use this for a little unboxing knife. This is my Benchmade CLA, and this, I believe, is a package that will be going north. I have no idea what's in here. Now, let's see what we're working with. Okay, so we got a little artisan cutlery box. It's a pretty heavy box too. Pretty heavy artisan cutlery package. So let's see what's in this old girl. Like I said, I think this is not something that we ordered. I think this is a Mimo knife if I were a betting man, but I could be wrong. Don't know. So it came in a nice little fuzzy bag. Let's throw that back over there. Now, does it say on here what model this is? It is the 1860P-BMBK. Don't know the name on this model. We do have a gold anodized aluminum backspacer. I think looks aluminum. We've got a gold anodized pivot collar. And this is in the AR RPM 9 blade steel. It's got a $sign going on the pocket clip there. This blade has poon, so, you know, we like that. I better do a little finger flicking here. Boom. Okay. I don't know the model here, but yeah, pretty comfortable in hand. Could be just a touch more room between these two finger choils here, like if they open that one up a little bit. You know, in this choked up position, yeah, it kind of works. It's a little cramped in the hand, although the handle is quite large here. You know, I'm sure this is a budget-ish knife. Black micarta scales and black coated blade. Got the old artisan cutlery logo. Big old boy. So there's that. All right. Well, there's the first one. Now we've got another box. This one came by way of stuff that my wife ordered. So let's get in here and see what this is and what is inside this package. Okay, so we got packing peanuts. All right, we have a Kizer box. There you go. That's what we had inside that box. Let's see what we're working with here. So we've got one of those, two of those, and two of these. Let's just real quick take a little gander at this box. I don't know if these are different or not. Oh, this is the Best Tech. Yeah, this is a cool budget knife. I saw these. I don't remember the name on it. What is the name of this thing? The Ronin. The Best Tech Ronin. If I remember right, these are 14C28N blade steel and thumb stud knife. Boom. Right on. Okay. Action is really good. This one is orange and black. If I remember correctly, I think I'm the one that put these in the cart. Yeah, this one I think is going to be a different colorway. It is. Yes. Right on. So we got two Best Tech Ronins. One red and black, one orange and black. Very cool. 14C28N. And they have blue thumb studs. That's interesting. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can really tell or not that the blue thumb studs, but action on it's great for sure on bearings. The axis bar, you know, bar style lock works well. The bar sits a little bit proud of the scales on both sides. So you got easy access, and yeah, that's nice. I like that. Okay, so we got those two. And then we got this, whatever this one is. Okay. What's the model here? The Clairvoyant. The Kizer Clairvoyant. And this one appears to be... We've got some extra hardware in there. Love that. This one is burlap micarta with some brass up here. Now this one, don't know the blade steel yet. Got a milled titanium clip, uncoated blade, thumb stud, and button lock. All right. Yeah, 154 cm blade steel on this old girl. Very nice. Oh yeah, action. Fantastic. It's got a little bit, it's just really well chamfered. Not quite a crown spine. Yeah, the Clairvoyant, that thing's pretty sweet. I like how small it is up in this area. You know, generally button locks are bigger than this, especially for a knife of this length. But they've condensed that into a very small area. Got some nice jimping up here on the spine. Yeah, I'm kind of digging this one. That thing's pretty cool. Right on. Okay, so we're doing good so far. Now, let's see what we got going here. This is the Kizer Tomgat, I guess. Kizer Tomgat. Got some Kizer stickers. Oh, we got hardware with this one as well. Plus a pouch. Oh yeah, I know what this one is. I remember seeing this one. I wonder if this is the same thing. It is. Yeah. We'll set this off to the side. Let's get the box out of the way. Now this one caught my eye because one, it's titanium, no flipper tab. It is a frame lock. You can see the clip there. I like the little pops of blue on the clip and on the backspacer. We got the same triangulated shaped lanyard hole that we have in the blade. Got a little blue pivot collar. Plus you got a couple little mill lines going on the both sides. Still has an external relief cut. You know, I would like to see that be internal, but that's okay. Let's flip this open because I'm hopeful, I think, but let's find out. Oh yeah, beautiful. Okay, so this is S35VN. Oh yeah. The handle here is super comfy. And look at that beautiful, beautiful hollow grind. So a little tanto blade shape. We got hollow ground main section, and then a flat ground tip. It's absolutely beautiful. Yes, that's wonderful. Oh, and the action is stellar. Yeah, that thing's really, really nice. Okay. Yeah, definitely this thing is... I'm really digging that, for sure. Okay, perfect. All right, so the Kizer Tomgat. Now we've got one more box to open up here. Let's get some of these moved out of the way here a bit. Now, this package here isn't going to fit all the way on the screen, but that's okay. Where's my CLA? This is coming to us from Northwest Knives out in the Meridian, Idaho. If you guys have not checked out Northwest Knives, you should absolutely go and do so. I actually just saw their little promotional email come out the other day, and they have got the new Chavez 229 that has the kickstop on it, which is very, very cool. Okay, so we've got a whole bunch of stuff, or, well, I don't know what all we got, but we got some stuff from Spyderco in here. So we got 3 big ones and a little one. Let's just, let's get into one here and find out, shall we? Okay, so we got a sheath. Very cool. Oh, we got a neck ball chain for a neck knife. Oh, this, I can't remember what this thing was called. I remember seeing this. in the advertisements. Yeah, look at that. LC200N. Boy, that thing's vicious. That thing just fits right in there, and it is vicious. So you got G10 slabs, just to give it a little bit more girth. The thing is crazy lightweight. You could wear this as a neck knife. This is the Swick 5. That's the plain edge. All right, so there's the serrated. Again, LC200N. This one here is AEBL. I'm kind of surprised that they hadn't released that one already. It seems kind of crazy. This is Mule Team 37. Yeah, it says Oodleholm AEBL, originally developed in the 60s for use in razor blades, sometimes described as the stainless version of 52-100 ball bearing steel. AEBL offers a unique combination of high hardness, sharpness, corrosion resistance, toughness, and ease of sharpening, although its edge retention is overshadowed by other steels. If you guys want to nerd out on the actual steel, you guys can pause and check that out and read. The composition is on there. There you go. And then we've got one more to open up here. Let's get this stuff out of the way. And we got this little box right here. Okay. Now, this is a lime green Little Native. Let's see where this one's coming from, because I'm guessing this is a dealer exclusive. Okay, Spyderco Little Native exclusive version from Knife Joy. This one is in CPM 20 CV with green scales. There you go. Boom. The Little Native in CPM 20 CV and green scales. Now, I dig the Little Native, but I like it so much more with the Warney blade. You can see the difference. Actually, probably be better if I went the other way, huh? So you can see the difference in the blade there. I like the Warney version better. I really do. I like the Little Native. It's a fine knife, but definitely like it better with the Warney. And then you guys know the deal. You can put a CME on here. You can see on the standard version, there's a little part of the blade that comes up and impedes that area. So we do have a CME for that. But on the Warney version, you don't have to worry about that. Very, very cool. So we got Little Native. We got the Swick 5. We got a new Mule Team, plus some Kizers, a couple Best Techs, and an Artisan cutlery knife. We're going to have to get after it. We got a lot of sharpness testing to do here. So let's set these off to the side real quick and hopefully end up with finding out whether or not we got some really, really sharp knives, right? All right, the Artisan cutlery. Don't know the name of this one. This is the RPM 9 Artisan steel. All right, here we go. Boom, 135. Nice result to start things off with a little 135. For those that don't know, we're looking for something under 200. All right, next up, I think I opened the orange Ronin. 14C28N blade steel. Holy shit. Okay, the Ronin coming in hot with an 80. 8-0. Knocking the Artisan out of there. Let's see how consistent they are. Let's see if the red one also is that sharp. That would be phenomenal if it is. But here we go. Let's find out. Whew. 110. So very, very good result from both of the Best Tech Ronins. We need to get that Warney Little Native out of here. Okay, next up we had the Kizer Clairvoyant. This one is 154 cm. Here we go. Okay, 140. Wow. all across the board, these things have been good. Next up, we've got the Kizer Tomgat S35VN hollow ground blade. 110. Good Lord. All these are just, yeah, killing it. I think that one goes there now. So we got 80, 110, maybe 120 or 110, something like that, 130 and 140. First up, we've got the Swick 5 LC200N plain edge. $160. I didn't even look. Okay, so these were made in Golden, Colorado. So this is a USA model. Man, that thing fits good. It really does. That I mean, if you want to do some damage, like that thing is dirty. Okay, so a 160 on the Swick 5 plain edge. All right, next up, we've got the Mule Team in AEBL, apparently known as the stainless steel version of 52100. All right, here we go. $80, 80, knocking things out of the way here. The Mule Team coming in hot with an 80. I mean, it tied with the best tech there, but yeah, we'll that's pretty impressive. Anything sub 100 is really getting it done. Okay, the Knife Joy exclusive Green G10 CPM 20 CV Lil Native coming in hot. Where are we at? Golden, Colorado model. Holy shit. Okay. All right. Yeah, 60 is unbelievable for a plain edge blade. That thing is crazy sharp. Man, this has been a good group of knives. All right. The Swick 5 LC200N serrated. We're going to go for that middle large serration right there. Let's see what we are working with. Okay. All right. So we got a 90 out of the serration. And the crazy part about it is when you get a sub 100, and it is kind of a bummer because these three knives, especially this one, blew it out of the water with a 60, an 80, and an 80. That is crazy impressive coming out of the box, right out of the factory. But here you go. This is the lineup of knives. So we've got the serrated and straight edge Swick 5s. We've got the Lil Native. We've got the Best Tech Ronin. Another Best Tech Ronin. Both in 14C 28N. We've got the Kizer Clairvoyant. Hopefully I'll be able to fit all these on screen. We got whatever this artisan thing is. And then we also have got the Kizer Tomgat. Plus the Mule. So that's the lineup in today's unboxings. There's a lot of love sitting on the table here. Pretty awesome. The Golden, Colorado model still reigns supreme. 160 on this guy right here. But the rest of them, the other three, were sub 100, which is crazy. So there you go, guys. That's what I got for your face balls today. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing. I'll post this up probably while we're gone on our little trip. We're going to be gone for a handful of days. You know, get a little fun in the sun. So anyway, thanks so much. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm out of here. Peace.